Practice for write from dictation. Get ready to write down the one sentence that is going to be played. It's a sentence. Don't forget the full stop at the end and the caps letter at the beginning.
That company came out right during the height of the recession when people really needed extra money.
Okay, I hope you got it, and let's see what the sentence was. That company came out right during the height of the recession when people really needed extra money. You see, all the words are really common and straightforward. The one word that might be problematic, that is recession, there's always going to be at least a couple of these words. It's because the students that have a better knowledge of vocabulary get those ones right and get the top mark.